Hi, this is Dr. Firnhaber, and this is another edition of 10 Minutes of Truth. So today, I want to cover an article out of a journal called Frontiers in Pain Research. This article came out about a year ago, October 1st, 2021. I'm going to tell you the name of the article, and then I want to go ahead and discuss it with you because for some people, this could be an important issue. The name of the article is Does My Neck Make Me Clumsy? A systematic review of clinical and neurophysiological studies in humans. So this was a study that looked at 18 other studies. It was a meta-analysis, and what they found were some very interesting things. Now, the quality of research in this study was considered moderate to high, which is very good because you want a high quality of research. You want your research to be of high quality. And so I want to just talk about the key points from this article. So the muscles in the neck have a lot of what we call mechanoreceptors. And mechanoreceptors are little receptors in your neck that tell your body where your head and your neck are in space and time. So, it tells you, if you have your head down, back, turning to left or right, lateral flexed, it just tells you where your head's at. When these mechanoreceptors are not working right, that can cause things like vertigo. So in this article, one of the things that the article said is that if you have an injury to your neck, like a whiplash injury, you have, some sort of fall, some sort of a neck injury, it could be anything. It could be a sports accident, cheerleading accident, a slip and fall, anything that injures your neck, that can change the proprioceptors in your neck very subtly and cause clumsiness. Now, we've all talked or heard about clumsy kids that are just clumsy. Well, there's actually a scientific and physiological reason for that, and that's probably coming from the neck. It says here, proprioceptive signals from the neck play a pivotal role in both the construction and continual updating of central nervous system internal body representation. Studies point to the role that the neck plays in the brain's understanding of where its body parts are positioned in relation to one another. Complications from neck pain, including whiplash, are frequent and include chronic pain, dizziness, balance problems, and clumsiness. Now, they describe clumsiness where it was referring to fumbling or as a late symptom to those suffering from traumatic neck pain. This was described as a tendency to drop things or an insecurity or difficulty in gripping. It's also a deficit in coordination of the upper limb. And so people that had neck problems tend to be more clumsy. Now, here's the thing, is what's going to help people with that? What's going to help clumsy people? Do they need to take more pharmaceuticals? Is this a pharmaceutical problem? No. Is it a pharmaceutical deficiency? No. This is a problem in the central nervous system from injury to the neck, resulting in changes in the proprioceptors of the muscles to the neck. So this is it's a chiropractic issue. If you fix the neck, you fix the curve in the neck, and you rehabilitate the muscles of the neck, guess what? The neck pain is going to get better. We're going to have better input into the central nervous system, and people aren't going to be clumsy or as clumsy. And so I would say this, if you have children that are clumsy, maybe you should have them checked out. Maybe you should have their neck checked out by a chiropractor. their spine checked. Have they ever been injured? Have they had falls? Has anything ever happened to their neck? And sometimes it can be at birth. Sometimes if you have a traumatic or difficult birth or a forceps delivery, that in and of itself could be causing the problems in the neck. But it's not a pharmaceutical issue. And so I would say this: if you have issues with clumsiness, or your kids do, have them checked out. Have their neck checked out, their spine. Have them checked out by a chiropractor, because this isn't just like a genetic issue or that kid isn't necessarily a problem child. It could be because of a neck injury, and just some chiropractic care and rehabilitation could really help them with that issue. And especially, if they want to play sports and they're clumsy, this could really help solve that problem. So that's all I have for today. It's our 10 minutes of truth. So the moral of the story is neck injury and neck pain can lead to clumsiness. Fix the neck. You can get rid of this the clumsiness in the person and have them lead a more normal life. Hope this has helped you. I'll see you next week with another edition of 10 Minutes of Truth.